Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp Introduction to HTML. We're talking about forms, and right now we're going to talk about radio buttons. So here we go. Okay, the way that you do radio buttons, and radio buttons, by the way, it's a choice between 3 or 4 choices, and all 4 of the choices are visible at the same time, and each one has like an empty bullet by it, and you click on it to pick it. Alright, so that's what we're going to build here. All of the radio buttons will have the same name, but they'll have different values. So your name value pair, anything you pick, it's going to have the same name, but they'll have different values. So let's do let's make our label I guess each one of these will need, each one will need a label. We're going to do shirt size, so I'll just make a little header here. How about a header level 3? Okay, label, shirt size small. Input type equals radio. Okay, and then all of them are going to have the same name. Name equals shirt size, and then each one is going to have a different value. Okay, and then we will close our label, and then we'll make our other sizes. Small, medium, large, this is called copy pasta. When you copy and paste stuff and start changing it, you're very prone to make mistakes. So that's why they gave it an unappealing name. Extra large. It saves a lot of time, to be honest, but just be careful and be prepared to be made fun of if you mess it up. Okay, small, medium, large, extra large. I think all this is right. Let's check it out. Save that. Go over here. Refresh. Okay. Wow, that is really unreadable from a UI perspective, because it's like you have to figure out which dot goes with which thing. Now the labels make it easier. You can click on the word small. You don't have to click inside the tiny little circle. If you didn't have a label, you would, by the way. You'd have to click inside the tiny little circle if you didn't have that label tag, if you didn't create a label element around your control. Alright. Alright, let's make this a little easier to read with some extra break tags. I'm going to be super lazy. Let's see how that looks. Alright. I would like it better if the circles lined up. Let's just put this on the opposite side. We got to put it inside the label, but on the opposite side of the input tag. Okay, let's give that a shot. You know, that's much better. Much better. So these are radio buttons, right? Named after the big chunky buttons on an old-fashioned car stereo from like the 70s or 80s. Reminding us that HTML has been around since 1989. All right, that's how you do radio buttons, which is type equals radio on the input tag. Thank you.